Panoramas combine several images into one continuous photo. They're great for capturing a landscape, a skyline, or a structure or space that's too big to fit in a regular photo. To check if your PC can take panoramas, go to the Start screen and open the Camera app. Then look for this button. To take a panorama, tap the Panorama button to take the first image. The Camera app will automatically take the rest of the images for you. Tilt the camera to line up your next shot. When the border around the viewfinder is completely filled in, the camera takes the next image. For best results, stop moving the camera at that moment. If the camera moves, the image could be blurry. Experiment with tilting the camera in lots of directions. You can even get all 360 degrees in one panorama. When you're done taking images, tap the check mark. The Camera app stitches them together and saves the panorama to your camera roll.